Hi guys, welcome back into my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Today I received my package from Crunchyroll. I ordered some figures about a week ago, so it finally came in today. I ordered Gilgamesh from Fate Grand Order, and then I ordered a Demon Slayer pack. It had Tanjiro, Nezuko, and Zenitsu. And then my last order, which is the most expensive, I'm gonna butcher the name, so I apologize. I think it's pronounced Eshkakir. I'm so sorry, but it's from Demons. It's not for Demons. It's from SGO, Fate Grand Order. So yes, I'm so sorry. I just butchered the whole name. I don't even know how to pronounce it to begin with. I apologize.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here I'm just taking Tangier out from the box, and I am about to move to Irish and take her out from the brown box and show you guys her casing of how it looks like. OMG, look at this. This is so pretty. This is definitely worth my money. Like, I have no regrets at all buying this figure. It's so pretty. Look at the casing. Look at how vibrant and pretty it is. Well, now I'm opening up Tanjiro from the box, from his box actually. I had glasses on and I cannot believe I did not see those two tapes on the side. Yes, so it comes with Tanjiro and the square box. So he is supposed to be laying on top of the box, and yes, I am now just taking them apart and taking out the plastic, and then I'm just gonna assemble it, and we'll show you guys how it looks like. So after taking everything off, wow, the struggle is real there. Yep, you just place him on top, and then this is how he looks like. Ta-da! So Nezuko and Zenitsu will be the same as Tanjiro, but for Nezuko, her box that she is laying on top of is the the box from the anime that Tanjiro put her in. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Yeah. So now we have Gilgamesh. I am just opening up his box and taking him out and show you guys how he looks like. Yeah. One thing that I want to point out is the detail on this Nendoroid is so crazy. They got his 6 packs, bro.
six pack. Yes, it's finally Ishika's time to be open. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, look how pretty she is! I'm dying inside. Oh my gosh.
So with all the figures that I got today from Crunchyroll, honestly, I don't even have a number to rate them with. They are that good. I'm not even over exaggerating. I'm not even trying to be fake or anything. They are really good. They are very high quality. They are really nice. They're worth your money. I'm serious. They are worth your money. I would say definitely go and check them out. And all the figures that I've got in my room, they're all from Crunchyroll. And I really recommend